Okay, guys, I have opened all the packages. My down recorder keeps shutting down for some bloody reason. By the time I'm done. Here's the thermometers I ordered online for my 3D printers. One of my printers are currently down. The valve stems that I need for the keeping the little plastic tube on. Captain tape came in, and trust me, this is my third time recording it. For the captain tape. Included when I got to this last time, it had already shut down. This is the power on and power off button. I don't know, I must have been hitting the wrong button, but we'll go back through it again. I'll get everything out. First, they give you a little piece of tape, so you can attach this, which is the power button. I'll put this over here, and you basically click on this, and it basically turns and turns it off. And also, here's the plug. You put on this on the back of your computer, so you can run this cable through. Basics. It has a little hole in it. Let me just take it out for you guys to see. And basically, the one I ordered was $7 and some odd cents online. Price was around 10. You can actually get them cheaper on Aliexpress than you can buy them actually on Amazon because they're reselling it from Amazon. Here's this. That's what it is. And yes, it comes with the screw necessary to put in, which you should have the screw, but some people don't actually have it. And yeah. And yes, I had opened all the packages several times. It's just been a crazy mess this time. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and comment for more. See you next time. And I must have been hitting the wrong button last time. And I'm going to install this in the next few days because I'm currently busy with some other projects. My printer just stopped, so it's done. See you next time. And yes, this is for desktop mobile switch. Let's say there's another thing I should have mentioned on this. The reason to have this, yes, you may think your computer is the perfect location. Let's say your computer was in another room. Then how you're going to turn it on if it's in another room? Because by having it in another room, you're not frying to death. Your computer is away from you, and all you have to do is press this switch. Or let's say in a room of stuff will keep it cold no matter what. You can keep a super cold computer if you just have one of these. Because now you don't have to have access to it. Let's say the gas which basically keeps it cold, put it in that. Oh, suddenly your computer no longer needs you to press the button. Because now you can press it with this. Otherwise, that's the reason I bought it, because my computer is where it sits. And I might buy another one later. Bye for now. Talk to you later.